I have written a Cypress script which sends automated tweets onto the Twitter. Before seeing the code in action, let's first verify what is the last tweet from my profile. So if I reload this page, so last tweet from me was on April 23rd. So let's now go to the terminal and run this command npx cypress open, which will open the Cypress test runner from where I would be able to execute my script. So initially it takes a while to load those files where I have those script, but for subsequent runs it would be faster once this gets loaded. So let's run this script. I will just click on it and it will open the browser, which is here the Google Chrome, and you can see Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So it's going to the Twitter, entering my login credential, entering the tweet message, and then your tweet was sent. So let's verify it going through a normal browser that it sent the tweet. I will reload this page, and as you can see, hello Twitter from Cypress. So if I walk you through the code, it's just a simple one file which I have written. Apart from that, everything was by default provided by the Cypress itself, so that skeleton is available. I just modified this file. And if I walk you through the script file, the first line is about just describing and naming the test suits. Then the from third line, if you can see, it first goes to the Twitter login page, enters my credential, which it loads from the environment variable. I could have actually entered those credentials in this file itself, but then because this file would have to be on GitHub, and I don't want my credentials to be exposed to public, so that is where I am loading it from the environment variable. After that, it actually searches for a text box where it can find this, because this is the place where you would like to enter your username. So it types the username there, then it searches for any text field which has password in it, and types in my password in that. Then it searches for the login button and it's clicking. The 12th line wouldn't be executed. Why? Because Cypress would detect that after you click the login button, a new page has to be loaded. Okay, so it waits until the new page is loaded, which is your Twitter homepage, and then it runs the 12th line, which is actually figuring out the text box where the tweet can be written, which is this text it is writing onto that text box. And then after that, it would click on the tweet button so that the tweet would be sent. So you see how simple and easy it is to write a Cypress as compared to Selenium, because before this I have actually sent out a video on the YouTube where I discussed about how you can send automated Facebook post using Selenium, but I have to agree that it was a bit difficult, and I was struggling a lot while implementing it. But once I switched to Cypress, it was just a piece of cake. So I hope that this will kind of motivate you to actually go and read more about Cypress.